Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we got a sweet gift for any man in your life. And you know what? Probably a lot of women that like hunting and that kind of stuff and related. Because this is pretty cool. It's like an off-grid pack, a survival pack, an outdoorsman pack, an outdoors... How would you call a woman for outdoors? An outdoor... Because outdoorsman... I don't know. Anyway, so guys, let's show you what you get. Alright guys, so you get a hard case here. There is a flathead driver right on here. So you just pop these little tabs open. Alright guys, so inside this box, you get an emergency blanket. You get... So this is like bungee cord. That you can clip around as a bracelet. It looks like inside there's also a fishing line with a hook. So you got that as well. There's a compass on that. Looks like a fork. Alright guys, this makes it easier. So you have a multi-tool in here. So check this out. You guys can pause the video if you want to see every single thing that this little tool has. So guys, this is a wire saw blade. So you put your fingers in here and then you just go back and forth for cutting like a saw. That's pretty cool. In here we have a fork and it looks like a knife with a can opener with a almost like a saw blade. So fork it, spoon kind of mix. That blade is definitely sharp, so be careful. Alright guys, then we have a pen, and this pen also acts as a glass breaker, so you can use it as a blunt, or a lot of these you're able to go like this and snap it. So you would have this up against the glass and you would snap it, and a lot will crack that way as well. Alright guys, then you have your fire starter here. We'll get to this. I'm not 100% sure if that's like supposed to be for the fishing line or not, but we'll get to that in a minute. Here you have a nice little flashlight. Twist off the top, and it takes one AA battery. So a nice little flashlight. You can adjust the lens so you can make it wide by just pulling it. Yeah, nice little flashlight. Alright, then we got this really cool knife. That's sharp. No pun intended. So flip it out. Let's see if it locks in place here. So it does look like it locks. So yeah, it does lock in place. So it does protect your hand. So if you're cutting or accidentally hit like that. Now I'm sure if you would push hard enough it would snap back, so try to never apply pressure from this direction, always apply it from this direction. But yeah, looks like you got a rope cutter in there. Very nice. To close the blade you just press right in here to the side and that allows you to close it. Very nice. And last but not least is this, which extends out. It's almost like, I wonder if this is for to be used with the fishing line, because it extends the whole way and it's clear. I mean, it's see-through. So yeah, I wonder if it is used for the fishing line. Overall, very nice kit, my friends.